Good morning. This is a reflection on lesson 253 in A Course in Miracles, and it says, "Myself is the ruler of the universe." It's a capital S, self. Myself is the ruler of the universe. And when I think it distinguishes between upper S and lower S self, is like self, the capital S being our true nature, like our guiding self, our higher self, if you want to call it that, our soul self, the one that actually has all the wisdom beyond this material world, or just like beyond the ego. You can simplify it that way. So what I thought about with this one, what it made me think of, because it talks about how there's like, make no mistakes about it. Like don't delude the self. What's the word? Don't fool yourself, basically. It's yourself with a capital S has allowed you or created this reality. It's led you to this point in your life. It's created every circumstance in your life just as it was meant to go. It's like everything happens for a reason, but it's like literally you're responsible for everything that's happened in your life. So don't fool yourself into playing the victim, which sometimes we need to go through that. Like everything is happening for a reason. So if you are in a state of victimhood, like you feel like things are happening to you, that's all by design too. Okay, it's meant to be a teacher. Like there's a movement through that. Everything's meant to teach. So if you're going through victimhood, that's not a shaming thing. Like sometimes we all need to go through that to move through it, to learn something from it. What did I learn from moving through victimhood? Oh, my self-empowerment, things like that. So it's not a thing to be judged or shamed. It's like if you're in that, you're in it for a reason. But it's saying like, don't fool yourself though. You created that situation in order to move through something you can learn, like challenge yourself for growth. So that's what this made me think of, is that everything's kind of by design, from our higher self. Like something, whatever we take that guiding light to be, our North Star, the thing that's always driving us forward, that's laying out the next breadcrumb on our path. Every breadcrumb's there for a reason, for us to move through, and we just designed it that way. So it helps us, to me, this lesson helps reinforce that sense of empowerment and agency, self-empowerment, courage, inner strength, all of that. It's like designed to say, you built this reality for yourself. Own it. What did you learn from it? What are you moving through? Where are you going next? It's like it's kind of this sense of agency. And if you're not feeling that, there's a reason you're not there right now. There's something to move through and learn from. So that's what this one made me think of. What was the title? Yourself. Oh, I want to remember it because I have to look. Yeah, myself is ruler of the universe. So when it says ruler of the universe, that's exactly what it means. It's like your universe. That's the other thing that I wanted to say that it made me think about, is how we are the center of our own universe. And that's fine. It's not a ego thing. It's not something, again, to be judged or shamed. It's like, you're the center of your universe. I'm the center of my universe. And that's by design. I think of like our little egos as we have a 360-degree view from this perspective. And that's by design. When we don't, I think though, we can stretch beyond that and learn through that as well. And I would call it like empathy, like seeing from another person's perspective and really feeling from another person's perspective is another way to, it's like a way to kind of move out a little further beyond your own universe and take on that other person's perspective and learn what you learned through that, by that deep connection, which we're meant to do as well. But it's okay that we're our own universe. Like, what are we doing with that information, right? We're all on our own unique journeys, our own unique, very unique paths, because we are the ruler and center of our own universe. And that's exactly by design as well. That's why I believe that's why this exists. If we were all meant to just be one and share a perspective and share a soul and be one, we wouldn't have come here where there's duality, where there's separation or this perception of separation. We would have stayed in the oneness, right? So all of this is by design, just as it should be. That's what it made me think of.